Hello and welcome to another Tech Talk video tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be utilizing the Google Team Drive to create our department folders. The benefit of this over the Sharepoint files and folders that we're using now is that Google Team Drive can be accessed anywhere from any device at any time. Same parameters apply. We're going to use the same file and folder setup type. We're just going to be doing it in the Google Drive. So, first and foremost, let's get to our Google Drive by clicking on or logging into drive.google.com. Here you see the menu bar on the left. You see My Drive. By default, that is your drive with all of your files, folders, and documents that you've uploaded and saved. We're going to be using the Team Drive. So let's click on Team Drives. When you get to your Team Drive, your folder may be empty, or you may have some already set up. I already have several Team Drives set up. You can have as many Team Drives as you want. Now, to set up a Team Drive, the first thing to do is to know what you're going to put in your drive. For us, we're making department drives, and we're going to mirror them like SharePoint. So within our drive, we're going to have lesson plans, content team minutes, department minutes, shared documents, SOL data, and flex items. So these are the folders that we're going to create within the Team Drive. So let's get started. First, you click on under Team Drive, you click on New, and you want to name your Team Drive. So I'm going to name mine Technology Department. And click Create. Now you can also change the color and the styling of your drive however you want to see fit. And to do that, all you do is click on the name of your department, click on Change Themes. You can pick from a gallery or you can customize it. In this case, let's just grab something for the gallery, and we'll look for something technology related. And select it, and now it changes the top. Currently, I only have one member in here, but I can also add members as well. Before you do that, you want to set up files and folders within your drive so that you'll have it set up before you invite your team. So first thing we need to do is right click, new folder, and we're going to make a folder called lesson plans. We can double click in that folder, and then we're going to make subfolders. Each folder will have a teacher's name. So I will say Smith, new folder, Jones. And as you see, you can see the process is pretty repetitive. Really simple, really easy to create. So these are the folders for my teachers. So let's go back out. As you see, as we get deeper into our Team Drive, we set up actual cookie crumb paths. We'll go back to the main path, which is our name folder, and we need to create other folders. So our next folder would be Content Team Minutes. Create another folder, Department Meeting Minutes. Create. Right click, new folder, shared documents. Create. New folder, SOL data. Create. And new folder for flex. So these are the 5 folders that you will need in your Team Drive: SOL data, shared documents, lesson plans, Flex, department meetings, and content team meeting. You notice how I spelled content wrong. I can always go back and rename or edit my folders. And change that. And for folders that you use more often, you can right click on them as well and either add a star to it, which means it will show in a quick starred section, which is a quick action setting. And that is your team drive. The bulk of the time that you'll be spending is creating your lesson plans folders. Next, it's time to add members. To do that, I go back to my main menu, and currently I have one member, and that is myself. I can add members to my folder by clicking on Add Members. And I just type the name of my team, members of my team. It should automatically pop up. I can then give them full access or edit their access, or I could do it individually. So you want to add your team members as well as your lead administrator or administrators of your department. I can add a message saying welcome to my team, to our team drive. And I can either notify them or not. I am going to notify them, and I will click add. So now I'm added the members to my team. I can click on members here, and then I can give them custom rights. For example, if I want Miss Lynch to have comment access only, she can comment on all files. If I want Mr. Hillier to only have view access, he will only have access to view all files. And that will lead me as full write access as the lead. What you will do now is create your team drive. Once you're done, you will have an option of pulling over your old SharePoint files and folders from your current SharePoint drive over as an archive to your team drive. To do that, all you need to do is add me as a member with full rights, send me an email, and I will pull that data over for you into a folder called Archive. And no worries, I will create the folder myself and name it Archive. If you have any questions, by all means, see me. This has been another Tech Talk video tutorial. Thank you.